In today's video, we'll explore how you can use Hostinger coupons to unlock incredible discounts on their hosting plans. If you're looking to start your own blog, personal website, or even an e-commerce store without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your existing hosting, I'll guide you through the process of redeeming these coupons, explain the benefits of Hostinger's hosting plans, and share tips to maximize your savings. Plus, there's no need to manually insert codes. Hostinger makes it super easy by applying these discounts automatically. Quick heads up, some of the links in the description are affiliate links. So if you decide to make a purchase through them, I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So let's dive right in. Before diving into the details, let me give you a quick overview of why Hostinger is such a popular choice for web hosting. Hostinger is known for its affordability, powerful features, and excellent customer support. It has earned a reputation as one of the fastest growing hosting providers in the industry, often outperforming competitors in both pricing and performance. So if you're starting a website for the first time, Hostinger is designed to make the process as smooth as possible. The platform guarantees 99.9% uptime, which means your website will always be available to your visitors. This level of reliability is critical, especially for business owners who can't afford downtime. Another standout feature of Hostinger is its 24/7 customer support. Whether you're facing technical issues or have a simple question, their team is always available to help. From live chat to detailed tutorials, they ensure that you will never feel stuck. Hostinger also comes with beginner-friendly tools that make website creation and management a breeze. Their custom-built H panel is intuitive and user-friendly, offering a much more modern interface compared to traditional cPanel dashboards. And the best part? Hostinger offers hosting plans that are incredibly affordable. With their coupons and discounts, you can get a plan at a fraction of its original price. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or someone looking to establish an online store, Hostinger has something for everyone. So if you're ready to explore these details, the discount link is waiting for you in the description below. But first, let's talk about how you can redeem these great discounts. Redeeming Hostinger coupons is a straightforward process. And the best part is that the discount is often applied automatically. First, click on the discount link provided in the description of this video below. This will take you to Hostinger's website, where you'll find their current deals prominently displayed. Once you're on their site, take your time to review the available plans. Hostinger offers a variety of hosting options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, and WordPress hosting. Each plan is tailored to specific needs, so whether you're launching a personal blog or managing a growing online business, you will find something suitable. Then, after choosing a plan, click on the Select button to proceed. This will take you to the checkout page, where you will see the discount already applied to your total. No need to manually enter a coupon code. From there, simply complete the checkout process by filling in your payment details. Once your transaction is complete, you'll gain access to the Hostinger members area. This is where the fun begins. You can start building your website using their drag and drop builder, install WordPress, or upload an existing site. Hostinger's platform is designed to be as user-friendly as possible, ensuring a seamless start to your online journey. What makes Hostinger coupons special? Hostinger coupons stand out because they offer significant savings without the hassle of searching for codes or worrying about expiration dates. The discounts are automatically applied when you use the link provided, making the process incredibly convenient. In addition to the cost savings, many of Hostinger's plans include free extras, such as SSL certificate, domain for a year, and automatic backups. These features add tremendous value to the already affordable hosting packages. Another advantage is Hostinger's 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied with your hosting plan, you can request a refund within 30 days of purchase. This risk-free policy ensures that you can try their services without any pressure. For more details on the refund process, check out Hostinger's refund policy on their website. Hostinger's transparency is another reason to love their coupons. They clearly outline the renewal rates and avoid hidden fees, so you'll always know what to expect. Their pricing model is straightforward, ensuring no surprises when it's time to renew your plan. This level of honesty is rare in the hosting industry and sets Hostinger apart from its competitors. Exploring Hostinger's hosting plans. Hostinger offers several hosting plans, each designed to meet the needs of different users. Let's take a closer look at their most popular options. The premium shared hosting plan is one of their best sellers. It costs just $2.49 per month for a 48-month term and renews at $7.99 per month. This plan supports up to 100 websites and includes 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, unlimited SSL certificates, and weekly backups. It also comes with a free domain for the first year, making it an excellent choice for beginners and small businesses. Now, if you need more resources, the business shared hosting plan is a great option. Priced at $3.49 per month for a 48-month term, this plan offers 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage and supports up to 100 websites with approximately 100 visits per month. It also includes daily backups and advanced WordPress acceleration tools for faster website performance. For those with larger projects or higher traffic volumes, the Cloud Startup Hosting Plan is ideal. At $7.59 per month for a 48-month term, this plan supports up to 300 websites and includes 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, a dedicated IP address, and unlimited bandwidth. The advanced optimization tools ensure your site loads quickly, even during traffic spikes. Frequently asked questions about Hostinger coupons. Let's address some common questions about Hostinger's coupons. First, how many discount codes are available? Hostinger frequently updates their deals, so it's best to take advantage of the current offers before they expire. When one deal ends, another usually takes its place, so there's always something exciting to look forward to. Existing customers often wonder if they can use coupons. The answer is yes. Hostinger provides renewal discounts for their hosting services, which can be accessed directly from the H panel. Additionally, existing customers can use promo codes when purchasing new plans, ensuring that everyone can benefit from their deals. Now, another common question is whether you can use multiple coupons on a single order. And unfortunately, Hostinger allows only one coupon per transaction. However, the savings from a single discount code are usually significant enough to make it worthwhile. Why you should act now. Hostinger's deals and coupons are time sensitive. Waiting too long could mean missing out on a significant savings. If you're serious about starting or upgrading your website, there's no better time to act. With discounts of up to 90% and a 30-day money-back guarantee, there is absolutely no risk involved. So, to wrap this up, Hostinger's hosting plans are not only affordable, but also packed with features that make building and managing a website easy. By using the discount link in the description of this video, you'll unlock exclusive deals and save big on your hosting costs. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.